Hello everybody, welcome to the show. Bass and Bonsai. Out on the water catching fish. Topwater bass. First fish on topwater. Good luck kiss. And yep, first week of March. We are already on fire. We didn't have a jumper, but that is our new All right, I'm sitting here rigging up. Charles has a fish. That's a good one.
Yeah, it's a nice fish.
That's a lot better one. I was just thinking topwater slowed down, so I might try a chatterbait through this shallow water. Charles gets a, that is a good 2-pounder, 2.5. Get him, Charles. There we go. About 2, I would guess. All right, boys and girls, we're going to try. I've got a big chatterbait rigged up. That's the old Z-Man original. I'm going to try that. Kind of a bluegill color, but a crawdad profile. And then 16th ounce shaky head with our favorite sprayed grass zinkers. You guys will see here in a second what rods I'm throwing all this stuff on, but just getting rigged up with a good backup bait that, who knows, could end up being our main bait. And I'm throwing this on. Check out that. My zillion got a weird look to it. Oh well. Anyway, that's rigged up. We got it going. I've only got one rod that does have 15-pound test on it, and it's this one. And you almost need over 10-pound test and a medium heavy to be able to set the hook on the Z-Man original chatterbaits. So let's see what we can do. All right, well, oh boy, major backlash.
I heard that. Oh, there was a bump.
Tighten it up.
Oh, you hit it again.
I did not have much line on here, but what line I do have just backlashed.
I just had one that hit this buzzbait 3 times and missed it every single time.
So I just wanted to. I almost backlashed again.
I heard that. Sounds funny.
Well, it's because the line's
Whipping.
yeah, line's like turn it up more. Growing pains. First time I've cast this reel, so there we go. Way too thick a line on it. But I think this is like 20 or 40-pound braid, not 15. So it only holds so much. But it'll get the job done today to throw some of the buzz or the bigger chatterbaits that I want to just play around with. I do not like. I need to slow down. Now I'm also going to get our other rod out and throw some the smaller chatterbaits on it, see if it's capable.
Look out, look out!
What in the world, Charles? Charles trying to take me out. Do you guys, did anybody witness that? I'm gonna save that footage. Okay, I just about got taken out by a flying. Luckily though, it was a little small buzzbait. One of the last ones was the biggest, so there's a possibility we weeded out the little guys, and so what's going to hit now will be a big bite if you can get it out of here.
Wishful thinking.
Yep, wishful thinking, but what do you think about that, Charles? Does that look like a...
That's freaking. I like that rod. Ever since you got it, that's a cool looking rod.
Yeah, Jeremy says if I get the deal going, he wants a medium light one.
Yeah.
I think I can get it for like 125 bucks free shipping. But I've also found the ones that Jay commented about, that Pt.2. It may not be the same quite as good at blank material, but the overall build and what it's capable of, and it's only like a I want to say it's $65 rod.
Yeah.
So.
Oh yeah, that one was expensive.
This one's $125.
The only thing I'm iffy on is I don't know about wood. I don't know if I like the wood.
Oh, the handle?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna probably end up switching mine. I don't know yet. It does feel good. Remember, this is one that's soft.
Soft touch.
It's got that touch.
Yeah.
So you feel that.
Oh.
It's not
Yeah, it
slick.
feels like cork.
Yeah, it doesn't feel bad.
That.
Does not feel bad.
Yeah.
We go a little deeper. Now this is the Zillion with the boost spool, SV boost.
That's all soft plastic from.
Yeah, look at Charles has got all new boxes.
This is all the stuff that my buddy sent me.
Yeah, all that from Big A's. Charles,
yeah.
He said Charles was holding out on me. Charles has got some of the good colors. That color should work. That other one too. The one you got your right thumb on. Yeah. That color right there looks good too.
Yeah.
Okay, before I go full on this, I want to try our new chatterbait. So let me set that down.
Okay.
Now the best one, I think, will be this guy, but I got to find a trailer for it. I should be able to throw it on this rod, no problem. So let's find a trailer for this. Well, I just grabbed this, one of the first things I grabbed, and it's kind of my assortment box. There's a bunch of different baits in here. I'm just curious if this little orangish green.
Okay, I put a swivel on it. How's that?
Yep,
Is that better?
That's what it needs, Charles. Yeah, shouldn't. I mean, could you tell it's getting line twist?
No. Could not tell it was getting line twist. Change colors too.
Yeah, so we're gonna rig this up. That's a long freaking shank, sort of.
Looks like it might run better slower with the.
So let's try this on this feeling rod. I got a feeling it should work. Yeah, I got a feeling about the feeling that it should cast it. No problem. Definitely just trying to go just fast enough to tick.
Yeah, I can't believe you haven't tried these. I keep wanting to buy more of these sea night red foxes.
Yeah, nah.
They work, dude. They freaking work good. Hard to believe they're only $35 for as good as they freaking cast and smooth as they are. They're a nice reel.
Let's go way up there.
And they're only $35.
Yeah. Looks like I may have.
I wonder about that other fellow area over there now too.
Slow down.
Burnt this area up, we might need fresh water.
Yep, I think this area is about done. Oh.
That fish?
Yep, it's about done, and I said that, and I got a fish.
Fucking faster when you're fishing.
Uh-oh, that may be a.
This one?
It's definitely bigger than I've caught so far, I'm pretty sure, but I don't know. It's on a whole different rod and reel. Sometimes it just feels different. No, I think that's a little bigger.
That's a pretty nice fish.
Maybe a little bit. There we go. That is that little jackhammer knockoff. Hooked him right in a good spot.
AliExpress Jackhammer knockoff.
$3.
Jackhammer?
Yeah, the Jackhammer. No, this ain't the Jacker, whatever, but yeah. $3.50 as opposed to $16. Awesome fish. Let's get a pic. Oh boy. All right, boys and girls, there she is. Beautiful largemouth bass. Another kiss for luck. We're hung in the trees and the wind is blowing, but we're gonna see if we got a jumper right here. Get out there and jump, you dirty dog. He ain't gonna jump. Look at that. All right, we're on him. Sun, see the clouds? We're calling for rain, but let me move my rod. Charles is trying to take us out over here. Calling for rain, but not yet, not anytime soon. We are on fish. I'm just gonna show you guys this. That is an eater, guaranteed. That is that bait from AliExpress, kind of a knockoff of the Jackhammer, like $3.50. I think Jay ordered 6 or 8 of them after I put that video out showing them. Proof's in the pudding though. We caught a fish on them. First few casts of using it. Let's go. What do you think, Charles? You done catching trees?
Yep, let's go fish.
Let's go. That's pretty cool. So what we found out, I think this is the 10-gram one. They sell a 10 and a 14, and I'm pretty sure like a 3/8 half ounce. And the smaller one seems fine with the trailer on this feeling rod. So that's actually nice that I can have, you know, I could go out throwing shaky heads, chatterbaits. And it'll throw the little stuff. This rod will throw even lighter. I wouldn't want to take it to a little creek or stream, but just because it's like overkill. But it'll throw those little bitty, you know, 4 and 6 gram crank square bills. It's got that good
I like the way the purple line looks on the reels.
Yeah.
You can't see it.
Yeah, I know. That's why I like this camo line, but it's almost to the point where sometimes where I miss my red and yellows because you could see exactly what's going on with your line. And as long as you run a 6-foot leader, there's, you know, it's not an issue on the color.
Right.
Even in this clear water, I don't think it is anyway. As long as you got that, you know, well, 3 to 6 foot out in front there. I'm kind of throwing out to deep water into the wind a little, so. I got grass. Let me see. I want to see if I can get out to that way out there. Got another one. Get up. Now they're.
The bad thing is,
Oh! Can't catch what?
can't catch fish on chatterbaits.
Yeah, I know. Charles, like, you can't catch fish on these chatterbaits in these pits. They just won't hit him. Just won't hit a chatterbait, will it, Charles?
That was, you got him picked.
Yeah, I know. That one, he's a fighter.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know for sure what line. I think this is 10 pound, but man, I've been doing so much crap this winter. Tests and this and that, and this line, how did that thing was, he was upset over this whole deal. Look at that bass. He was hooked good. Well, so far, boys and girls, that bait is legit. Look at that. You guys kiss it. Whoa, get back out of there. That dude was a kisser.
What color are you running?
That crazy color. I don't think the color matters as long as it's a natural, you know, nothing crazy bright. So far it seems like.
That's pretty.
Yeah, that.
It should. Chatterbait.
I don't know. No, I mean I throw fairly decent. Yeah,
What about that little creature?
Yeah, probably. I just grabbed this because it's the closest, you know, I just ordered a few of the colors. I didn't get the white or I got a black and blue set in there. I just haven't rigged up yet. Well, I'm thinking black and blue would work too.
I'm just trying all
different baits.
Stuff that he gave me, you know?
Well, Charles was trying Big A stuff. Oh yeah, that should work. Just showing this off again. My Bass and Bonsai.
I like that.
Charles wants one. You want to see how much they'll charge you for one, Charles?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get, Charles wants one of these and we ain't making no more. These are, it's gonna be a one of a kind or two of a kind. Or who knows, I may give Charles this one and just have him make me another one and I'll pay whatever. But the tree has changed from the original Bass and Bonsai deal. Oh yeah, Charles, those, remember you had me those deals made like a fruit, that's been over a year ago.
Stickers?
The stickers for my truck. Well, I still got them, so I'm gonna probably put them on this truck as long as they're still good.
I'm kind of glad you saved them.
Yeah, I know. Well, I didn't. That's why I was like, I don't put them on this old nasty truck. So that's in the plans too. But
you haven't even commented on my hoodie.
Bass and Bonsai. Oh yeah, I was gonna say that. Look at Charles. He's got his bait finesse hoodie. Check that out. There's a lot of guys asking about that on BFS fishing. So I'm not BFS fishing right now. I'm technically using what blows people's minds, gets them triggered when you mention power BFS, but I guess technically that's what I'm doing with because the Feeling is a light, it's considered a BFS rod. Now the Zillion reel isn't, but I don't know, 10, well that's probably not a 10 gram bait anymore once you add the weight. So anyway, we're just doing it to it out here. First official trip of the 2022 season is underway and we're drinking Diet Coke in our new, what do they even call these, mugs? Tumblers. So we're going to also test it. They claim the ice will last all day in one of these, so let's find out. It should handle that for sure. That delicacy will handle. Yeah, I sold Jeremy my, what did I say? Oh, he bought the, wow, that sounded like a DC there for a second. Did you hear that noise? Whee! But Jeremy bought the NRXs. Right. Jeremy bought the light Cayenne Conqueror, and then he bought the 30 MGL Aldebaran.
Oh, the Conqueror. Okay. I was gonna say if you sold the
the Conquest. What are you talking about?
Oh.
The reel, you mean?
Oh yeah.
No, I still have it. I didn't bring it.
No, the Conqueror. I was thinking Teton.
No, I got it here with me. The Cayenne Teton 661.
Did you ever get?
No, Eugene, who I bought these other reels from.
Did you ever get an ultralight Teton?
Yeah.
You talked about it. I thought.
I don't have it with me, but yeah, I've got a 522 SUL.
Yeah, that one.
And then I got a 632 ultralight. But I didn't even break out what I got. But yeah, I didn't bring everything today. This is.
Yeah. There wouldn't be any room for me and you in the boat.
I don't have that much, but yeah, I got too much crap, really. That's why I was like, I'm going to sell some of it. And I didn't sell the either. That thing makes like a DC noise when I cast real hard.
Crazy good deal on the Conquest. That's what I want. The Conquest.
You want my Conquest? I'll make you a good deal on it.